Hello everyone, my name is Madhvi Vichkar. With 16 years of corporate experience and being based out of Mumbai, I have witnessed and experienced the journey of climbing the corporate ladder. I'm thrilled to share with you my insights and inspiration behind my book, Shatter the Glass Ceiling Women's Pathways to Corporate Leadership. The inspiration for writing this book came from my own experience and remarkable journeys of countless women I have met along the way. Despite the significant strides we have made, the corporate world still poses unique challenges for women. I wanted to create a guide that not only addresses these challenges but also empowers women with strategies to overcome them and reach their full potential in leadership roles. One of the most motivating aspects of writing this book was collecting real life success stories. For instance, I interviewed a woman who started as a junior analyst and is now the CFO of a major multinational company. Her journey wasn't easy. She faced numerous biases and roadblocks, but her perseverance, strategic networking, and continuous learning paved the way for her success. These stories serve as a testament to the fact that with the right mindset and strategies, the glass ceiling can indeed be shattered. In my book, I outline several key strategies for women to rise above the glass ceiling. First and foremost is self advocacy. Women need to advocate for themselves, be it for promotions, pay raises, or opportunities. Continuous learning is another crucial strategy. Staying updated with industry trends and continuously improving skills is vital. Lastly, mentorship plays a significant role. Finding mentors who can provide guidance and support is invaluable. Mentorship and networking are powerful tools for career advancement. Mentors provide insights, advice, and can open doors to new opportunities. Networking helps build relationships that can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and new career paths. For women, building a strong network can be the difference between staying stagnant and advancing to leadership roles. Common challenges women face in the corporate world includes gender biases, work-life balance issues, and lack of representation. Addressing this requires a multifaceted approach. Bias training is essential for companies to eliminate unconscious bias. Flexible work policies and that support work-life balance such as flexible working hours and remote work options are crucial. Additionally, ensuring women are represented at all levels from entry levels to the boardroom is imperative. Creating an inclusive corporate culture is key to supporting women in leadership. This involves implementing inclusive policies that support diversity and inclusion, providing equal opportunities for growth and advancement, and establishing support systems like employee resource groups. Male allies plays a crucial role in breaking these glass ceilings. They can support by advocating for gender equality in the workplace, mentoring and sponsoring female colleagues, and actively challenging and addressing these gender biases. It's essential for women to cultivate strong professional networks. Best practices include attending the industry events, joining professional groups, and leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry and peers. Having women in leadership roles significantly impacts a company's performance and cultures. Studies have shown that companies with diverse leadership teams are more innovative, making better decisions, and having higher employee satisfaction. Many employees have implemented successful policies to promote gender equality. For example, some have introduced mentorship programs specifically for women, while others have set targets for female representation in leadership roles. These practices not only empower women but also contribute to the overall success of the organization. In conclusion, shattering the glass ceiling requires a collective effort from individuals, organizations, and society at large. My book, Shatter the Glass Ceiling, aims to provide the strategies and inspiration needed to navigate this journey. I hope it serves as a beacon for all women aspiring to reach the pinnacle of their careers. Thank you for your time, and I'm honored to be part of this journey towards a more inclusive and equitable corporate world. Thank you.